mission, man. Forward. We're open a mission. Come in, dog. We're open a mission, dog. Yo, dog. You see a plan 3 there? You see plan them are running, you see it? But yo, people over there, you see it? You see Chuck? People over there, so we can't run in from the dog. So you are going. You know, if you run over there, you see, and ball out like say, somebody go up on your tail, you see me? You dog. You see me? And somebody go up on your tail, dog. Yeah, man. You just ball out, you just get the cutlass and just chop it. So you see, same time, when you are ball out, you just chop it, you see me? Yeah, brother. Yeah, go on. What kind of style is, brother? I tell a plan that you can't green banana come give me. What kind of style is that? I can't go on mission with the dog. Can I style this, brother? Can I style this, dog? I can even know of a thief. Yo, dog. Forward, dog. Yeah, come on. Yo. We need for reason, dog. You see me? From what they people them say, I fall off in the chop. You see me? Because I'm sitting down and yo, brother, nah, my head, nobody come talk about, nobody come with them in my mind. Come in, we are reason. From what they hear, people them sitting up on a mission. You see me? When people them sitting up on a mission, you flap on it, dog. But tell you, say, yo, run in on the plan 3, me G. Yo, dog, yo, that's what I can't be there, dog. Come on, man, can't talk to you again, my brother. You see me? I tell you, say, you're running on the plan 3, dog. You're running on banana tree, brother. Kind of style of my youth. I know you have to say I have a new mission for give me to blow. You see me? You say you do recon already, Jenna. You do it already, you're sure. So that means say, when we go there, everything should be 100. Redeem yourself, you know, Jenna. Because when we touch out of them doors, you work, you work, you know. You ready? You ready, me Jenna? Yo, you me talk, you ready? Yeah, you ready. So dog. Scam. But chop. This a mango tree, a tall dog. How you get this? You mean me for yo dog, hold on. You mean me for climb me? Do you post? Hold on, shit. So you can't get black people permission, you know? No, if you walk and climb this, brother, I just grow on the feet thing, brother. Chop, one of my youth. That's something going like you idiot. Watch him. Hello, man, say. Step in, take a step to blow. Come like you don't want nothing fine. Yo. Ratted come like a wasted. What's there? Yes, man. As usual, it's Dr. Flames calling to just do the checkup. Yes. I see it on the Netflix. Oh, nah, you idiot mission of camera from Namiji. Hold on, I'm hearing that sound. Give me a second. I'll call you back. What's going on over here? Make sure it's an either mission of camera from Namiji. Let's see what's going on here. Tall dog. How you get this? Hello? 911? Yes. I'm calling to report a suspicious element at my door. Yes. Is armed and dangerous. So I can't get black people permission. And he has a high above vicious killer. Please send somebody quick. Yes. Thank you. He's trying to kick down the door now as we speak. Send somebody quick. But don't forget to try to thief off from a custard mango tree. Yeah, that's on our impact. Every time we are doing something, we are chop, run.